Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a close look at the JERIA 12-pack 5-gallon grow bags. If you're looking for the best grow bags on clearance, this might just be what you need. Let's get started. These JERIA grow bags are crafted from durable non-woven fabric. Designed to promote healthier plant growth by allowing roots to breathe and drain excess water. They're perfect for a variety of plants, from vegetables to flowers, and come in a convenient 12-pack with added plant labels. First off, these bags are lightweight and easy to maneuver, thanks to their built-in sturdy handles. They're versatile for both indoor and outdoor use, and you can even fold them up for compact storage when not in use. What sets these apart is their ability to prevent overwatering, ensuring your plants thrive without risk of root rot. They keep plants warmer in winter and cooler in summer, providing a stable environment for optimal growth year-round. While these are 5 gallons, JERIA offers various sizes ranging from 1 to 30 gallons, catering to different plant types and space requirements. The 5-gallon size, with dimensions of 12 inches in diameter and 10 inches in height, strikes a balance for many gardeners. To sum it up, if you're looking to maximize your gardening space and create a hassle-free garden, the JERIA 12-pack 5-gallon grow bags are an excellent choice. They combine practical design with affordability, making them a standout option in the grow bag market. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've used these grow bags or if you have any questions about gardening tools and equipment. Until next time, happy gardening!